Understanding Socket Tester, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term socket tester. This might be a new phrase for many of you, so we'll break it down, explain its meaning, and see how it's used in everyday English. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this video will help you understand this term better. A socket tester is a small, handheld device used to check electrical outlets, or sockets, in homes or buildings. It's used to ensure that the wiring is correct and safe. This device is very practical and important for electricians or people doing home renovations. When you plug it into a socket, it can tell you if there are any wiring problems. Let's break down the components of a socket tester. It typically includes indicator lights or a digital display showing the status of the socket. Prongs that plug into the socket, similar to a regular plug. A body, which houses the electronics and is where you hold the device. Using a socket tester is quite simple. 1. Plug the tester into a socket. 2. Observe the indicator lights or display. 3. Interpret the results based on the manual or guide that comes with the tester. Different lights or displays indicate different things. Green lights generally mean the socket is wired correctly. Red lights or error messages can indicate problems like reverse polarity, open ground, or open neutral. Socket testers are important because they ensure electrical safety in homes and buildings, help in troubleshooting electrical issues, prevent electrical accidents by identifying faulty wiring. We hope this video has helped you understand what a socket tester is and why it's important. Remember, a socket tester is a handy tool for ensuring electrical safety. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore more interesting terms and phrases to help you in your English learning journey. Have a great day, and keep learning.